Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor Mohinder Chand, Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Dear friends, today our subject is tourism and hospitality, paper, travel agency and tour operations, itinerary preparations and tour package design. Module 20, customers made itinerary and ready-made. Let us discuss the learning outcomes. After completing this module, students will be able to understand the concept of itinerary. Second, various types of itineraries. Third, know the concept of customer-made and ready-made itineraries. Let us start with introduction. Recently, travel industry has changed to cope with the challenge imposed by the travel market. In fact, travel agency and tour operators have changed their product offerings as per the market requirements. Now they offer different types of itineraries which are more suitable for specific type of travelers. Planning an itinerary with a blend of activities that satisfy the traveler's desire is a complex task, while there exist number of online resources to help to find out travel activities. Throughout the forming the available information, creating a plan is difficult and time consuming. Alternatively, travel agents and tour operators service can be recommended. What provided plans tend to be general and touristic. Moreover, none of these sources are available on the fly. If a traveler expected has increased and planned activities are there is no immediate assistance available to them. This model familiarizes you with the customer-made and ready-made tour itineraries. The students will be able to design these itineraries. Let us start with customer-made tour itinerary and ready-made tour itinerary. First, the meaning, concept and types of itinerary. An itinerary is a day-to-day plan of a journey. It includes all the activities that and destinations that the tourist will engage or visit during his or her journey. An itinerary is generally based on the client profile. A client profile gives the travel agent an idea of preparation of a tour itinerary. Thus, an itinerary is a key and significant component of a tour package. It may be an initial itinerary or a final itinerary. Basically, it is designed to identify the origin, destination and all the en route stopover points, along with transportation, accommodation and other services on a traveler trip. An itinerary has various portions and these portions are known as segments. Practically, these segments are dependent on the type of journey undertaken by the tourist. Moreover, itinerary shows the sequence of the various tour ingredients and provides essential information such as assembling point, departure point, days of departure, duration of a tour, legal requirements, features of a destination, optional activities and meal, and perhaps can be called as central point for the success of a tour company. Interestingly, a tour itinerary is the complete list of tour program designed to cater the needs of tourists. In fact, it tells the tour participants the sequence of the services or products offered by a tour operator or travel agency to its clients. The tour itinerary was coined by the Thomas Cook in 1856 by introducing a printer tour itinerary. There are essentially two types of itineraries. A customer-made itinerary, also called tailor-made itinerary or a personalized itinerary. This itinerary is specialized, drawn up for a specific client according to that client's needs and interests. And secondly, a ready-made itinerary or a general itinerary that is aimed at and marketed to a wide variety of clients. It is an open itinerary taking in consideration a wide range of interest. Next point, meaning of customer-made itinerary. A customer-made itinerary is also known as a tailor-made itinerary. Means that an itinerary is designed especially for you as per your requirements and needs. None of pre-designed tours are fixed in tailor-made tours. You can have your trip specially tailored to your heart's desire to gather individual attraction and the maximum flexibility and comfort. To take a tailor-made itinerary, you would please send us a message to tell us what you want to do, to see how many people of your group or family. Your hotel request meal requirements, personal interests or special interest activities, and language services if necessary. The more informations, the more suitable tour we can design for you. Or you can easily use a tailor-made form to tell us your request. The joy of tailor-made itinerary is that your holiday is designed around your requirements and you are not restricted to set itineraries of a group departure. Do you like the look of our suggestions itineraries and would like to see a stay, alternate accommodation or include a few extra days and extra holidays? Are you going on holidays to relax rather than spend your time packing and unpacking, moving from one place to another place? Are you celebrating a special occasion, perhaps your honeymoon, a special birthday, or an anniversary? Why not enjoy each other's company in privacy without being part of a large group? Are you traveling abroad to stay with friends or family and wishing to add on a safari, cruise, or even some self-drive explorations? Maybe you only want to be away for a long weekend, or perhaps you have an extended amount of time to enjoy traveling and would like us to help with part of it. If you have a limited amount of time, group departure dates often do not fit. You may well want a private vehicle or the very best naturalist regions has to offer. Moreover, a tailor-made holiday and travel services is like a personal planning service. You tell us what you want either in details or give us some parameters to work within, and then we arrange services to fit your wishes for your holidays. We also advise you on improvements which you might want to consider. When we plan a trip for you, we ask questions to help us really understand what you are hoping for from your holiday. This way, we can get as close as possible to your requirements, both financially as well as regard the whole holiday experience. The kind of questions we ask are: how many people are traveling? Are there any children in the party? How long and roughly when do you want to travel? Where might you want to go? Or what kind of experience are you hoping for? Is there anything specific you want to see or do? What type of accommodation do you like? Maybe, for example, luxury hotel or any other type of hotel. Roughly, what budget would you like us to try to keep it for you? Let us discuss the itineraries. All of Himachal, 12 days, 11 nights. Chandigarh, 2 nights, 3 nights in Manali, then Dharamsala, Dalhousie and Amritsar. Let us start first day. Day 1, Chandigarh. Arrive at Chandigarh and proceed to your hotel. On arrival, one can visit the Pinjore Garden or the Rock Gardens overnight in Chandigarh. Day 2, Chandigarh, Simla. Proceed to Simla. Arrive in Simla and proceed to your hotels. Overnight in Simla. Day 3, Simla, Kufri. Today, enjoy your visit to Kufri, winter sports capital. Visit Scandal Point and Simla Church overnight in Simla. Day 4, Simla, Manali. Proceed to Manali, evening free at leisure. One can enjoy shopping at Mall Road, overnight stay in Manali. Day 5, Manali Rohtang Pass, Snow Point. Today, enjoy scenic beauty of Himalayas. Visit Rohtang Pass or Snow Point. Free time to enjoy snow. Overnight stay at hotel in Manali. Day 6, Manali city sightseeing. Today, visit ancient temples like the Manu Mandir, Hidimba temples, Gayatri Mandir and Vistak Kund overnight at Manali. Day 7, Manali Dharamsala. Proceed to another scenic town of Himachal, Dharamsala. Evening, visit Dal Lake, Dalai Lama, monasteries and different other temples. Overnight stay at Dharamsala. Day 8, Dharamsala, Dalhousie. Today, depart for Dalhousie. Arrive at hotel, evening free for leisure, or you can enjoy nice walk around this small town. Overnight stay at Dalhousie. Day 9, Dalhousie, Khajiar, Dalhousie. Enjoy a full day excursion, trip to Khajiar, surrounded by dense deodar forest, small temples with golden golf course. Visit the Ajit Singh Smarak and different other springs. Evening at leisure, overnight stay at Hotel Dalhousie. Day 10, Dalhousie, Amritsar. Today, proceed to Amritsar. On arrival, check-in at hotel. Rest of the day is free for leisure. Overnight at Amritsar. Day 11, Amritsar. Today morning, visit Golden Temple. Evening, enjoy Wagah border. Overnight at hotel. Day 12, Amritsar, hometown. Today, depart from Amritsar by train or flight to hometown. Tour concludes. Next point, meaning of ready-made itinerary. A pre-designed itinerary consists of accommodation, transportation, advertised and sold together by a vendor known as a tour operator. Other services may be provided such as rental car, activities, or other transportation can be by chartered airlines to a foreign country and may also include travel between area as part of the holiday. Package holidays are a part of product bundling. Further, pre-designed itineraries are normally conducted by a tour director who takes care of all services from the beginning to end of the tour. In fact, these itineraries include the flights, hotels, transportation, transfer to the airport, hotel, most meals, and some sightseeing. These are often conducted by motor coach and usually no more than 3 nights are spent in each location visited. They are usually fast-paced and priced, including most everything. According to Mauritian, pre-designed tour itinerary is a trip planned and paid for a single price in advance, which covers a broad range of items from commercial transportation, accommodation to meal, sightseeing, sometime escort or tour guide. Next definition, Middleton describes it as an inclusive form of travel organized by the intermediaries or middlemen in which the tour represent a bundle of tourism goods and services marketed as one particular product or brand and sold at inclusive prices. According to Holloway, Holloway describes the pre-designed itinerary as itineraries put together by a tour operator or other suppliers, usually incorporating at least 3 elements like transportation, accommodation, and transfer, although some packages may include additional services such as excursions. Now the sample of ready-made tour itinerary. Pre-planned tour itinerary to Fort Palaces of Rajasthan. The Group 15s, the princely state of Rajasthan. Now Rajasthan were once the domain of courage warriors and lavish ruling dynasties. Following a tour of Delhi and Agra, this journey travels into the heart of Rajasthan and explores many of the region's magnificent forts and palaces, cities, desert, etc. Day 1 to Delhi. Fly from London to Delhi with Jet Airlines. Day 2, Delhi. Late morning arrival and transfer to the hotels. Afternoon tour for Old Delhi to see the Red Fort, Jama Masjid and Rajghat. Day 3rd to Agra. Morning tour of New Delhi to see India Gate and the formal Viceroy residence, both fine examples of British architectures. Continue to see the tomb of the Mughal Emperor Humayun and Qutub Minar. Afternoon drive to Agra and stay 2 nights at the Radisson Hotel Agra. Day 4 Agra. Early morning visit to Taj Mahal. Arriving time sunrise. After breakfast visit the tomb of Agra Fort. Optional excursion to see the Taj Mahal at Sunshine Pebble. Day 5 Jaipur. Drive to Jaipur and stay 2 nights at Jaipur. En route visit Emperor Akbar's city Fatehpur Sikri. Day 6 morning visit to the ancient palace of Amber Fort, optional visit to the different museums, see the painting, where you have an opportunity to learn how to hand print your own scarf. Afternoon tour of the city, palace and the Jantar Mantar. Day 7 to Bikaner. Transport to Bikaner, once a major trading center on the caravan route linking Central Asia with North India. Stay 2 nights at the Lakshmi Nivas Palace, the former residence of the Maharaja of Bikaner. Day 8, Bikaner. Morning, visit to different forts. Afternoon at leisure. This evening, you can see the old town of Bikaner and India's finest street architecture. 9-4, Jaisalmer. Drive to Jaisalmer for an overnight stay at fort. Afternoon tour of Jaisalmer fort and see the sandstone walls. Day 10, Manbar. Drive to Manbar in the Thar desert. Visit to local villages. Continue to tented camp. See the Rajasthani music, sand dunes, followed by overnight stay. Day 11, Rohit. Drive to Jodhpur and visit the fort. Continue to see the village, Luni, and stay 2 nights at the fort. Day 12, Luni, morning at leisure, afternoon desert safari, and then visit the different village, tribal village. Day 13, Udaipur. Drive to Udaipur, evening at Lakshmi Nivas Palace. Visit Fatehgarh, overnight stay at hotel. Day 14, morning tour of city, palace and temple. Afternoon at leisure. Day 15, transport to London. International airport to the Delhi to connect the Jet Airways flight or Atlantic flight to London. Next point, journey from the Golden Temple. Group nights starting from the holy city of Amritsar, home of the Golden Temple. This tour travel through the foothills of the Himalayas to Simla, the summer capital of British India. Along the way, the diversity of the Northwest India is explored with visit of Dharamsala and its Buddhist temples and monasteries and the wonderful Kangra Valley. Day 1 to Amritsar. Fly from London to Amritsar by Delhi with Jet Airways flight. Day 2, arrive at Amritsar. Transfer to hotel, 2 nights stay at Amritsar. Then day 3, Amritsar. Morning visit to Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh, Ram Bagh Garden. Afternoon transfer to Wagh on the India-Pakistan border to see the sunset retreat ceremony. Day 4, Dharamsala, McDowellganj, visit to the Tibetan headquarters. The formal hill station has a strong Tibetan feel. Afternoon tour of different monasteries, see the Dalai Lama, stay overnight at Dharamsala. Day 5, Taragarh, morning drive to Taragarh. This is the Institute of Buddhist Teaching and Work. Stay 2 nights at Taragarh Palace, owned by the royal family of Jammu and Kashmir. This is surrounded by the tea garden. The palace has magnificent views of snow-capped Dhauladhar mountains. Day 6, Taragarh at leisure with optional guided walk in the Kangra Valley. Day 7, Simla. Full day drive through the foothills of the Himalayas to Simla. Stay at Simla Oberoi Seychelles. Day 8, Simla. Full day leisure at Simla. Day 9 to Delhi. Take the narrow gauge railway to Solan and drive to Kalka to connect with the express train to Delhi. Stay overnight at Lalit, New Delhi. Day 10. Fly to back London. Next, discuss pre-designed tour itinerary has many benefits for tourists. The first, tour manager. Upon arrive in your destination, your group will be met by one of our careful selected tour manager who will accompany the group throughout the tour, ensuring nothing gets in the way of your holiday of a lifetime. Second, scheduled flights. We use only scheduled airlines for international and almost all internal flights, and we can offer excellent upgrade rates. Next, expert local guides. For all group departures, a representative is available to assist with check-in and any seat requests you may have during the main check-in period. Next, comfortable land travel. All land transfers are by air conditional buses of a size approximate for the group. Next, airport representatives. For all group departures from international airports, a representative is available to assist with the check-in process and any seat requests you may have. Next, first class accommodation. We generally use first class 4 and 5-star hotels or the best available on all over tours. Let us discuss the summary. The tour itinerary is influenced by the selection of various factors. These appears to be a difference between first-time travelers who tends to demand more intensive itineraries and more experienced travelers who appear to prefer a more relaxed itinerary with more days at destination. Thus, these opposite desires will influence the tour planning philosophy, and itinerary planner will have to consider the target market for a particular destination in order to achieve the correct balance between the number of destinations visited and the number of days at a particular destination. Indeed, this concept is especially problematic for itinerary planners as many tourists both first time and more experienced, and therefore the itinerary must satisfy both. Thank you very much for watching EPG Pathshala.